Good morning.
Can't see me.
Yeah, track. Welcome to the weekend vlog.
Again.
We've started.
Hey, is that IKEA?
Yeah, the IKEA meatball.
Pizza Hut and IKEA. Oh, right.
IKEA meatball.
Wait, is this the IKEA table?
I guess so.
That's funny.
Hey, I'm here.
What?
Trying to vlog.
There's a thing in the way.
Huh? No, as in like, I'm telling the
Ah,
Osmo.
alright. Sorry.
Trying to vlog with this new camera. We bought a Osmo Pocket, which first day filming with this. So let's see how the audio does. So we're currently on our way to my physio session.
Like 1 minute.
Yeah, and Charlie's ankle is hurting, so we're just sitting down at I don't know where we are.
You okay?
Central Tower, something like that.
Shangwan.
No, this place. Just sitting at a little park in Shangwan. But we're heaps early today, and my appointment is at 1. It's currently 12. We eat way too fast. Then we left our home way too early. So current plan is to go to the bookstore. What's it called?
JP Books.
Yeah. Stop playing with my ear.
I'm gonna peel it.
Okay, peel it. And then afterwards, after my chiro session, we're gonna go to Causeway Bay and donate these clothes to H&M. I can hear it. It's crunchy.
Yeah.
She's like a monkey.
I'm a monkey.
Just that you don't eat.
Yeah, I don't either.
Disgusting.
Chestnut?
Do you?
Do I? Huh? Or is that just sweet potato?
I think they have chestnut.
Well, I want sweet potato.
You want chestnut though? Or you want sweet?
I don't know. I don't know what I want. I haven't tried sweet potato. Let's see.
Let's see.
What do you want? I still want to drink that.
Get it later.
呢個㗎？
一個夠啦，一個夠。唔係食㗎，25 25。
How much money there?
好。
食唔食栗子啊？
You want chestnut?
係20蚊得嘅栗子啊，食唔食啊？
Come again? 拍票？有半磅栗子啊！好，半磅栗子。
半磅20蚊。
好。
計唔計食得30蚊啊？
半磅夠啦，唔該。
食得25蚊啦，好冇？
好好。
啊，23蚊啊，嗱25蚊做嗰度25蚊做50。
50。好。
多謝啊。
唔該。Take the skin off。好，唔該你。
多謝晒。
wait. I wish we have a car.
Yep.
Yeah. It's only on the weekend though we wish we have a car, or else we won't really be using it because parking anywhere in Hong Kong is so expensive.
Rental service.
Yeah. Just on the weekend?
Yeah.
Easy drop off, easy pick up,
Everyone would
things like that.
Everyone, but like, a lot of people. It's hard.
Yeah,
I feel
but
like it's
like,
hard though. I feel like if it's not here already,
yeah,
it's been hard to do.
yeah.
It doesn't make sense to own a bunch of cars and only have it for the weekend. Rent it out for the
Yeah,
weekend.
makes no sense. Not in Hong Kong.
But if you already have
It was so warm on the bus, I fell asleep. I was like,
yeah.
and then Shari had to catch my head a few times. I've had my coffee, okay? Shit it.
This guy is currently being the IT guy.
Yeah.
The cable guy.
This is what I went to uni for.
This is why that's in front of you. We're graduating.
Yeah.
Wait, you didn't even do.
Yes, I did.
You did e-commerce.
Yeah, like code. Hey man, COM 100. I learned C++.
Okay, dot. Yes, you're dealing with this slow.
Programming language to fix TV.
Did you?
No. I did make my own
Ethernet.
infrastructure. I think it's Intro 101.
Alright. I'll read the flex. Ew. I said flex.
First frame.
Yay! Pirate of a pirate of a pirate.
Yeah, it's so
Hey, that looks like. Anyway, bye.
yeah.
你可以用係咯筷子又得。唔好唔使成日反㗎。佢如果唔係咧，佢會黐鑊㗎。而家咁樣等佢慢慢煎到透，煎到輕。
而家揾緊好多嘢影，好細。
Hello。
嚇，就咁嘅咋？
不過咧，佢呢個係有穩定嘅功能，即係你咁樣喐嚟喐去咧，佢係唔會好似。Get like an external monitor. There's new ones that like it's pretty much like thin as an A4 page as a book. They're like ideal if you don't need it, you unplug it and you put it somewhere else. But I think for her application, she can leave it in here. If you don't need it, just fold it down. It's like an iPad size, 16-inch monitor. iPad thin. It's pretty good.
Why are you talking to me through the camera?
Test out the audio and also film you doing something.
A lot of weird ones. What are you doing?
It's my mom's head. Finished dinner. We're just on our way home. Just waiting for a train. Gonna try a different way to go home today. Gonna train it and then change for bus. Usually we'll have to catch a bus all the way, which is like 3 different buses or like 3 different trains. But I'm gonna try this new one. Hopefully.
Oh, I just hit my.
You okay? What you hit?
I just hit.
Yeah, can you stop? Can you stop hurting yourself?
好黑仔。
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 Man, I'm gonna need to do subtitle now.
我好黑仔。
What else?
Is
What
that
else
right?
do you know?
Does that sound weird?
No.
Does it sound right?
Yeah. What else do you know?
我冇朋友，我冇錢，
What else? What else don't you have?
我冇菜
Choi. Vegetable.
meal. Wait, no, that's not right. 我冇飯
但係你有我，
到你啦，
但係你有我，
但係你，
你。
單單
What's wrong with you?
Can't see my facial expression. No, you like through my mask. I am happy. I am sad. I am so angry.
What's that frown? I don't see
I'm
no
not
frown.
eyebrows, go away.
Alright, so this new way of heading home involves a little bit of walking. But compared to the other two ways, it's a lot less.
How do you get down?
Um,
That way,
I think you go down. There must
That
be,
way?
yeah. I see
around?
stairs down that way. We're on that footbridge
Somebody
towards
turn.
West Kowloon Station. That way is the element. And we're just trying to find our way down because the bus stop is right down that way on
No,
street
it's right
level.
below us.
Yeah. You can tell I don't have the best sense of direction. This guy.
This guy.
This guy.
What's up, man?
What's up? And then yakisoba usually would make a lot. I can have it more on Thursday. And then Friday we'll just figure out what to eat.
Finish class on Thursday.
She's gonna be fluent in Cantonese.
No, I'm not.
Try to decide on what to eat. And hello, it's Sunday. Just finished I say lunch. I don't think that's breakfast.
It's snack.
It's not snack.
Snack.
At a place called Seoul Restaurant. Original in
It's just
Kennedy Town.
called salt.
Yeah, food is really decent and it's well priced, so we'll definitely go back. This is my chocolate right here. It's not natural towers. So last week was my birthday and I was gifted this, which is a Friends Lego set, the TV series Lego Friends set. But yeah, well, I think we're gonna build this today with Chari, and after this we'll probably dismantle it, put it back in this box because we don't have room to put it and display it. Plus, we're kind of moving soon, so yeah. 2 hours later, finally finished the set. Let me show you guys.